To start the engine, you must have your intelligent key with you. Apply the brake pedal and then push the ignition switch. If you do not apply the brake pedal when pushing the ignition switch, the engine will not start and the vehicle will switch to ACC mode. Pressing the switch a second time places the ignition in the on position. Pressing it a third time returns the ignition to off. If the ignition is left in the ACC or on position, various systems in the vehicle can discharge the battery and your vehicle may not start. To stop the engine, move the shift lever to the park position and push the ignition switch to the off position. Allow the engine to idle for at least 30 seconds after starting. Do not race the engine while warming it up. Drive at a moderate speed for a short distance, especially in cold weather. During cold weather, allow the engine to run for a minimum of 2 to 3 minutes before shutting it off. Starting and stopping the engine over a short period of time may make the vehicle more difficult to start. To start the vehicle when the intelligent key battery is discharged, verify that the vehicle is in park, then touch the ignition switch with the intelligent key. A chime will sound. Within 10 seconds of hearing the chime, start the vehicle as you normally would by applying the brake pedal and pushing the ignition switch. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating information.